back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we're going to be making easy, basic, and delicious pancakes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start off adding 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of normal cooking oil, and 1 egg. Now we're just gonna mix. Once all your ingredients are mixed in all together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're just gonna mix it until it's all mixed in with the other ingredients. Once your vanilla is all mixed in and your batter is smooth and doesn't have any lumps, we are gonna go ahead and make it. But make sure your consistency of your batter is just like this. Now, if your batter is too watery or runny, you are gonna add tablespoon by tablespoon of flour until your batter is already thick. Okay, everybody, before we cook our pancakes, you have to make sure your pan is really warm, or else your pancakes won't cook the correct way. So you're gonna turn on the stove to a medium heat and let your pan heat up till it's really hot, where the butter sizzles, just like this. And we're just going to add a little bit of butter, like a square of butter. When your butter is all spread in your pan, you are gonna get a big spoon and fill it up till the top. And then you're just gonna add a blob of the dough. And then you're just gonna form your pancake to a perfect circle if you want to. Just like that. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing with 2 other pancakes. Okay, when you have your pancakes on your pan, you're gonna let them cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Depends on how warm is your pan. We know that they're done when they have bubbles on the top. And when they do, we're just gonna flip them to their other side, just like this. And let the other side cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your pancakes are done, they should look like this. Delicious, warm, basic pancakes. Okay, everybody, it's time for the taste test. Now, if you add a little bit of butter and a little bit of syrup, delicious. The best pancakes in this whole wide world. Let's taste it. These are the most amazing pancakes I have ever had in my life. Delicious like always. Now, make sure to make these, because if you want to have a great life eating pancakes, just follow this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I would also really love it if you could subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes and videos. And please give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you next time, guys.